Hey, Michael Rozbruch here, founder of Roz Strategies. And today I want to talk to you about the 4 most valuable lessons I learned in business. Okay, I started my business career in the corporate world. I worked for 18 years as a corporate accountant, going all the way up to controller and then CFO. And then 16 years after that, I had my own tax resolution practice, one of the largest in the nation. And then for the last 5 years, I've been teaching other CPAs, EAs, and attorneys how to thrive doing tax resolution. And I learned 4 things. And the first is there are 2 things you never delegate. You never delegate your checkbook, and you never delegate your marketing. And I'll explain. With regard to the checkbook, I always had a pulse on the cash flow. I always knew what was coming in. I always knew what was going out. I always checked my cash balances, my bank balances every day. The second is never delegate your marketing, at least not until you understand it, not until you know what the key metrics are and the key performance indicators so that you can manage it and oversee it. Okay, the second lesson is I always asked for the sale. If you don't ask, you don't get. For example, one of my most memorable and best closes of all time were after I finished the initial consultation, I would say to the client, if I wanted to work with the client and I knew I could help him, I would say, and let's say the client's name is Joe, I would say, Joe, look, I want to get on the phone with the IRS and get you a collection hold before you're out of my parking lot. What credit card do you want to put this on? That was my close. Always be closing. Always ask for the sale. The third is you always have to test different marketing strategies. You should always earmark a small monthly budget. Maybe it's $500 a month or $700 a month, and try new things. There is no way I would have 168 month-over-month revenue growth. That's 14 years, every month running, the next month better than the previous month, if I didn't test new marketing strategies. Always be testing new and different marketing strategies. And the fourth thing is always focus on getting the right clients at the right cost in the most efficient and effective way possible, and then automate the process. I'm going to repeat that. Focus on getting the right clients at the right price or the right cost in the most effective and efficient way possible, and then automate it. That will equal wealth and create success for you. Also, that's what a buyer is buying. If you ever exit or sell your practice, a buyer is not buying your client list. That's not where the value is. The value is in automated, predictable processes that bring in leads and convert those leads into clients. All right? We'll see you on the next video. So if you want to learn more about the lucrative practice of tax resolution, click the link below. There's a free training webinar I put together just for you, just for this purpose. Also, comment and subscribe, but click the link below. Check out if tax resolution is right for you. It may not be right for you, but if it is, this may be the vehicle, the thing that will take you from where you are now, which is perhaps struggling or not being where you want to go, and taking you to point B, which is where you want to be, and making more money and living the life and having money and doing what you want to do. So click the link below, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.